Rome, often referred to as the Eternal City, is the capital and largest city of Italy. With its rich history spanning over 2.5 millennia, Rome is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends ancient wonders with a vibrant modern culture. At the heart of Rome lies the Vatican City, an independent city-state and the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. The Amalfi Coast is a stunningly beautiful coastline located in the southern part of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, in the Campania region. It stretches along the Tyrrhenian Sea, between the Gulf of Naples and the Gulf of Salerno. The Amalfi Coast is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, picturesque cliffside towns, crystal-clear waters, and rich history. The coastline stretches for about 50 kilometers, 31 miles. Cinque Terre is a picturesque region located along the rugged coastline of the Italian Riviera in the Liguria region of northwest Italy. Translated as Five Lands, Cinque Terre refers to a cluster of 5 colorful fishing villages: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore. These villages are nestled among steep cliffs and vineyards, creating a truly unique and enchanting landscape. Florence, known as Firenze in Italian, is a historic and culturally rich city located in the heart of Tuscany, Italy. It is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in the world and is considered the birthplace of the Renaissance. Milan, located in the northern Lombardy region of Italy, is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city known as the country's economic and fashion capital. With its mix of historical landmarks, modern architecture, high-end shopping, and cultural attractions, Milan offers a unique blend of tradition and innovation. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the magnificent Milan Cathedral, or Duomo di Milano, a Gothic masterpiece that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Pompeii was an ancient Roman city located near modern-day Naples, in the Campania region of southern Italy. In 79 AD, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius buried the city under layers of volcanic ash and pumice, preserving it remarkably well until its rediscovery in the 18th century. Today, Pompeii is an archaeological site of immense historical and cultural significance. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, is a captivating region of Italy located at the southern tip of the country. It is a land of remarkable diversity, boasting a rich history. Stunning landscapes, ancient ruins, vibrant cities, and a unique blend of cultures. Sicily's strategic location has made it a coveted territory throughout history, resulting in a fascinating cultural tapestry influenced by Greek, Roman, Arab, Norman, and Spanish civilizations. Venice, often referred to as the floating city, is a mesmerizing and unique destination situated in northeastern Italy. Sardinia is a stunning island located in the Mediterranean Sea, off the western coast of Italy. As the second largest island in the Mediterranean, Sardinia boasts breathtaking natural beauty. pristine beaches, rich history, and a unique culture that sets it apart from the mainland. One of the highlights of Sardinia is its coastline, which stretches for approximately 2,000 kilometers, 1,200 miles, and is known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and white sandy beaches. From the popular Costa Smeralda in the northeast to the untouched beaches of the southern coast, Sardinia offers a variety of coastal landscapes to explore and enjoy. Some notable beach destinations include Cala Luna, Spiaggia Rosa, Pink Beach, and La Pelosa.